तो मेरा कहना यह है कि आज देश बड़े खतरनाक इससे गुजर रहा है।
सर एक फैसला का प्रश्न बताइए।
इसीलिए हमको सभी मिलजुल के काम करना है जी। जब मिलजुल के काम करना है तो इसके लिए आप ये चर्चा को अनुमति दो, फिर हम सभी मिलके देश के हित में जो भी चीज होती है वो सभी करने के लिए हम तैयार हैं।
आप बेटे व्यवस्था
तो ये काम आप पहले कर दें।
सदन के नेता मोदी
नहीं सर, अभी बिल पर समय सारणी लिस्टेड है जी, इसलिए समय सारणी के अनुसार हाउस चले, ऐसा मेरा निवेदन।
धन्यवाद। श्री गोला बाबूराव
सर,
वो केवल बिल के संबंध में अंकित होगा, बाकी अंकित नहीं होगा।
At the outset, I congratulate the government to introduce this postal shipping bill. Postal shipping bill is very important to regulate the shipping trade. What is this here? At least an opportunity to come.
कृपया उनको बोलने दीजिए माननीय सदस्य।
I really
डिस्टर्ब नहीं करे।
thank the government to introduce this bill because this is very important to regulate the shipping transport, shipping trade, not only in India but also in other countries. Now I have 3-4 the suggestions. Now I wish to make that bill under class 3 removes the license for vessels owned by Indians doing trade in our territorial waters, including maritime zones. Our YSR party welcomes this bill and it removes the bureaucratic hurdles and gives better operational environment for Indian flag vessels engaged in postal trade. And second point, sir, I wish to make the relating clause 8 of the bill, which deals with the creation national postal and inland shipping strategic plan, new postal shipping routes, improvement of postal shipping operations, and assess traffic and postal shipping inland waterways.
आप इसको नीचे करिए।
Inland
गलत है माननीय सदस्य।
recently
माननीय सदस्य,
only 20 national waterways
ये बिल्कुल गलत है।
cargo transportation and
माननीय श्रीमती ममता ठाकुर, मुझे आपको नाम से पुकारना पड़ेगा और इसको नीचे कर लीजिए।
I would like to know from honorable minister what his ministry is doing to optimally utilize inland waterways for goods and passengers.
ये गलत है, गलत सरासर गलत है। आप सदन की मर्यादा का हनन कर रही है।
किलोमीटर comes
नीचे कर लीजिए।
by road and 1.45 by rail, less than 1 rupee by waterways. That's why it is very useful. Second point, sir, about coastal shipping operations. One of the important parts of the important
posters allowed already
is turnaround
indicated
time.
in part.
If you look at
बात करिए।
turnaround time, that is
इसके फोटो नहीं ले जाएंगे।
so encouraging. It has gone up from 58 hours in 2019-20
आप
66 hours.
माननीय सदस्य,
status quo
अधिकारों का पूरा उल्लंघन कर रही है, ये प्रिविलेज है, आप समझ लीजिए इसको।
So I would like to know from the honorable minister what additional steps ministry is proposing to take to improve the situation. Sir, and one more important point, sir, this is one of the more
धन्यवाद
of this
धन्यवाद, आपका समय समाप्त हो गया। धन्यवाद धन्यवाद।
It aligns with the country's
श्री देवासी सामंतराय, श्री देवासी सामंतराय नोट प्रेजेंट। श्री थम्बी दुराई,
Sir, Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, on behalf of the leader of ADMK party, Sri Pannaswamy, I raise
आपको मैंने बार बार कह दिया है,
bill and
आप आसन को बाध्य नहीं करें।
while supporting the bill,
आप आसन को बाध्य नहीं करें।
I would like to point out the issues being faced by Tamil Nadu fishermen while they are fishing in the Indian territorial waters and Indian marine zones, sir. Sir, you will know fishermen is the issue, perennial issue as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned. Sri Lankan Navy captures, arrests and tortures Tamil fishermen whenever they go into the fisher territory, sir. Therefore, request you to the next, sir. So other things, sir, there is a need permanent solution for this issue. The root cause for the problem is seceding Kachittivu unconstitutionally to the agreement 1972-74. The then DMK government of Tamil Nadu and the convenience of Congress government, the center has given the Kachittivu to Sri Lanka. Therefore, because of that, our fishermen suffering, sir. Therefore, I request the government, Vajpayee already promised that he is going to get back this treaty settled, which Congress and DMK expose our country, our territorial things, sir. Therefore, I request the Honorable Minister take necessary action to safeguard our Indian territory and see that whatever the mistake done by the Congress and the DMK has to be settled and save the Tamil Nadu fishermen, sir. Thank you very much. I'm supporting this.
धन्यवाद। मैं त्रिची शिवा पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर उठा रहे हैं, आप बैठ जाए सब। क्या हाउस को ऑर्डर में लाने दीजिए, हाउस को ऑर्डर में लाइए। आप माननीय त्रिची शिवा को पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर उठा रहे हैं, कौन सा?
Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, thank you very much for accommodating my point of order. Sir, you have been directing others, even yesterday when they were speaking about SIR in another bill, you said speak to the connected with the bill. But now what he has spoken is totally out of the bill, and I request you, sir, to expel whatever is out of context. It is under Rule 240. Under Rule 240, whatever he has spoken irrelevant, not connected with the bill, has to be expelled, sir. Kindly be expelled you to be impartial and judicious. Kindly, they are going beyond the bill. When we speak, you don't allow, you don't even record. But now everything he has spoken, whatever he has spoken out of the bill must be expelled, sir. It is irrelevant. So kindly, you are the custodian of the house and the rules. Please take note of it. That is my point.
I mean to speak. I want to clarify that.
No, मैं आप बैठ जाइए, आपका अंकित हो गया, बैठिए। श्री देवासी सामंतराय, श्री प्रफुल्ल पटेल, श्री प्रफुल्ल नोट प्रेजेंट, डॉक्टर कल्पना सैनी।
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, धन्यवाद। तटीय पोत परिवहन विधेयक 2025 का उद्देश्य तटीय व्यापार को आसान, अधिक प्रतिस्पर्धी और प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार के दूरदर्शी दृष्टिकोण के साथ बेहतर बनाना है। अपने बहुआयामी प्रावधानों के साथ यह विधेयक मर्चेंट शिपिंग अधिनियम 1958 जैसे पुराने कानूनों के पुराने प्रावधानों को उन्नत करते हुए भविष्य के लिए तैयार कानूनी ढांचा प्रदान करता है। प्रस्तावित विधेयक भारत के तटीय व्यापार में विदेशी जहाजों के लाइसेंस और विनियम के लिए प्रमुख प्रावधान प्रस्तुत करता है। यह एक राष्ट्रीय तटीय और अंतर्देशीय नौवहन रणनीतिक योजना तैयार करने और तटीय नौवहन के लिए एक राष्ट्रीय डेटाबेस स्थापित करने का आदेश देता है। यह विधेयक, मैं इस बिल का समर्थन करती हूँ।
धन्यवाद। श्री मिलिंद मुरली देवड़ा।
Sir, I, on behalf of my party, stand to support the Coastal Shipping Bill 2025. I've had the privilege of being a minister in the Ministry of Shipping. I know how important this bill is to encourage Make in India, to grow our economy. And मैं कुछ आंकड़े सदन के सामने रखना चाहूँगा। 1 liter of fuel moves 24 tons of cargo per kilometer by road. It moves 95 tons of cargo per kilometer by rail, but 215 tons of cargo per kilometer by water. And सड़क से 1 टन कार्गो को 1 किलोमीटर ले जाने का खर्च 3 रुपया है, रेल से 1.5 रुपया है, वाटरवेज से केवल 20 पैसे है। इसलिए जब हम ट्रक्स या रेल से कार्गो को शिप्स में डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं, इसका सबसे ज्यादा फायदा केवल हम पैसे नहीं बचा रहे, एक प्रकार से हमारी एनवायरनमेंट, पर्यावरण को भी बचा रहे हैं। और मैं सरकार को और खास करके हमारे आदरणीय यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी नरेंद्र मोदी जी को इसलिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं कि हमारे कोस्टल शिपिंग और इनलैंड वाटरवेज पिछले 10 वर्षों में we have seen a sea change in growing this sector. 10 years ago there were only 5 national waterways. Today there are 26 national waterways. 10 years ago only 18 million tons of cargo were being moved on national waterways. Today, a decade later, 133 million tons of cargo are being moved on national waterways. मैं मंत्री जी को इसलिए भी बधाई देना चाहूंगा कि today waterways only constitute 2% of our transport mix. मंत्री जी का जो विजन है, केंद्र सरकार और मोदी जी का जो विजन है कि हमारे inland waterways as per Maritime India Vision 2030 to take our waterway mix to 5% of our total transportation mix. This will improve make in India, will make costs cheaper, will benefit our farmers and will allow us to grow our manufacturing base. With these words, once again, मेरी पार्टी की तरफ से मैं इस बिल को बहुत बहुत सपोर्ट करता हूं। हमारे मंत्री जी को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं।
धन्यवाद देवराज। श्री मोकरिया राम भाई, श्री मोकरिया राम भाई। मोकरिया राम भाई।
सर, ये सब बिल को मैं समर्थन करता हूँ और इसको भगवान सद्बुद्धि दे और मेरे को काम नहीं करने देते, इसको काम करने के सद्बुद्धि, वरना जो है वो भी यहाँ से चले जाएंगे। वो मेरे को विरोध पक्ष तो चाहिए लेकिन वो समझते नहीं है, कीमती समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं सरकार का और प्रजा ने इसको भेजा है अपने पक्ष रखने के लिए, वो समझते नहीं है। मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है इसको क्षमा कर दी।
डॉक्टर फौजिया खान, डॉक्टर फौजिया खान नोट प्रेजेंट। श्री ब्रिजलाल।
धन्यवाद डिप्टी चेयरमैन सर, आपने मुझे द कोस्टल शिपिंग बिल 2025 पर बोलने का मौका दिया। महोदय, हमारी कोस्टल लाइन है 7516.6 किलोमीटर, ये हमारी कोस्टल लाइन है और हमारा 95% जो ट्रेड है वो शिप से होता है, जो और बाई वॉल्यूम 95% और बाई वैल्यू इट इज 77%। महोदय, मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं कि नए नए पोर्ट बन रहे हैं और ये बिल जो है जो लाया गया है ये शिपिंग में बहुत बड़ा कारगर होगा। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं मंत्री जी को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं। धन्यवाद सर।
तिवारी जी, हाउस ऑर्डर में नहीं है, पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर कैसे होगा? हाउस इज नॉट इन ऑर्डर। ये बैठ जाए हाउस ऑर्डर में आप अलाउ, मैं अलाउ करूंगा। वैसे तो माननीय तिवारी जी, वैसे तो इसमें पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर होता नहीं है, लेकिन आप वरिष्ठ है, आप उठा रहे हैं तो उठा लीजिए।
पॉइंट 25
आप बैठे चलिए।
258 सर, 258 औचित्य का प्रश्न। सर, ये सदन जिसका गठन हुआ है राज्यसभा का, मैं औचित्य का प्रश्न उठाते हुए ये सवाल उठाना चाहता हूं कि आप वहां बैठे हैं, हम यहां बैठे हैं, ये सदन चल रहा है, ये नियमावली से चल रहा है। मैं आपसे स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं, आपके माध्यम से पूछना चाहता हूं कि मान्यवर, जब हमको निर्वाचित करना होता है तो सम्मानित विधायक गण हमको मतदान करते हैं। आपको भी किया है, हमको भी किया है सर। मेरा सिर्फ ये कहना है, अगर SIR के तहत चोरी हो जाएगी और मतदाता सूची में डकैती बढ़ जाएगी, लोकतंत्र की
प्ले कार्ड्स आर प्रोहिबिटेड इनसाइड द पार्लियामेंट। ये माने नो पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर, नो पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर। श्री मस्तान राव बीड़ा, प्लीज कृपया बैठ जाए।
सर, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी द अपॉर्चुनिटी। सर, I have today on behalf of Telugu Desam Party and our
leader Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu to express my wholehearted support for the Coastal Shipping Bill 2025. And I began by commending the Honorable Minister of Port, Shipping and Waterways, Sri Sarbananda Sonowal ji, for bringing forward this landmark legislation bill. As someone who hails from a coastal region of Andhra Pradesh, and I spent decades working for the development of our port infrastructure and fishing communities, I know how deeply maritime connectivity shapes the destiny of our economy, livelihoods and logistics. This bill, for the first time in independent India's legislative history, offers coastal shipping its own legal identity, liberating it from the outdated confines of the Merchant Shipping Act of 1958, sir. And in doing so, it sends a strong message. India's maritime future will not just be deep sea and global, it will also be local, coastal and regional. So why this bill matters? Dedicated law for domestic and maritime growth. Okay, sir. East of doing coastal business, sir, and empowering Indian vessels and workers, maritime security and oversight. Okay, sir. With this, I support this bill wholeheartedly on behalf of Telugu Desam Party and our leader, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu.
Sri Virendra Bes.
Sir, I raise here today to speak on Coastal Shipping Bill on behalf of Assam Gana Parishad and my party President Atul Vora. Sir, this I raise here to support the bill for the people because this bill has temporary. This bill is
श्रीमती ममता ठाकुर
farmers.
श्रीमती ममता ठाकुर गलत कर रही है, ये पोस्टर नहीं चलेगा, गलत है।
This bill is for protection of the farmer. आपको protection के लिए बोलता है. This bill is environment friendly bill. So I totally support the bill.
Sri Sarbanand Sonowal to reply the discussion.
Respected sir, I am sincerely grateful to Srimati Darshana Singh ji, Gola Baburao ji, Dr. M. Thembudadai, Srimati Dr. Kalpana Saini ji, Sri Milind Murli Dora ji, Sri Rambhai Haji Bhai Mukherjee, Sri Bijlal ji, Sri Mastan Rao Jadab Veda ji, और वीरेंद्र बैश्य जी for their kind support to this bill. As you know, this is a very significant reform initiative under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, which has particularly unlocked the full potential of India's vast and strategic coastline, which stretches over 11,098 kilometers across 9 coastal states and 4 union territories. To support the goal of growing India's coastal cargo share to 230 million metric ton by 2030, we need a framework that minimizes regulation while maximizing facilitation of growth opportunity in coastal trade. The Coastal Shipping Bill 2025 is designed to make coastal trade easier, more competitive and better integrated with India's overall transport vision. Sir, presently regulation and licensing of coastal shipping is governed by Part 14 of the Maritime Shipping Act 1958. The current bill provides a holistic, forward-looking and progressive legal framework suited to today's commercial realities in line with the globally prevalent cabotage practices. This bill is a part of the larger vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to undertake a series of legal reform which in the past 11 years have led to increased growth and developmental of maritime and shipping sector. Honorable Sir, this bill contains 6 chapters and 42 clauses that mainly consist of provisions of licensing and regulations of foreign vessels in coastal trade, formulations of national coastal and inland shipping strategic plan, creation of a national database for coastal shipping. This bill will reduce the compliance burden for Indian ships in line with the mission of ease of doing business. If greater numbers of Indian ships handle cargo, it will ensure supply chain security for the country. This is very significant. Supply chain security for the country, prevent escapement of countries' foreign exchange by reduced dependence on foreign ships, and enable creation of blooming local economy with versatile employment opportunity. Easy accessibility to authentic and periodically updated data through the national database on coastal shipping, along with information of the strategic plan for the development of infrastructure on coastal and inland routes, will keep potential investor better informed about the development plan and policy priority of the government in the sector. Sir, with this, I want to request you, sir, this bill is very significant bills, very important, very reformative like kind of initiative, and I believe the members of the House will definitely help this bill to pass.
The question is that the Coastal Shipping Bill 2025 as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. We shall now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill. Clause 2 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment. Dr. John Bitas, are you moving? Not moving. I shall now put clause 2 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 2 is adopted. Clause 3 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment. Dr. John Bitas, you are moving the amendment?
Sir, allow discussion on SIR. Then I will move. Allow discussion on SIR.
The amendment is not moved. I shall now put clause 3 to vote. Those in favor will say please aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 3 is adopted. Clause 4 and 5 stands part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 4 and 5 are adopted. Clause 6 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment. Number 1 by Dr. Fozia Khan. Not present. I shall now put clause 6 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 6 is adopted. Clause 7 stands part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 7 is adopted. Clause 8 stands part of the bill. There are two amendments. One by Dr. John Bitas. Not moving.
Sir, allow SIR. Allow.
I shall now put clause 8 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 8 is adopted. Clause 9 stands part of the bill. There are two amendments. Dr. Fozia Khan, not present. I shall now put clause 9 to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause no is adopted. Clause 10 stands part of the bill. There are two amendments. 8 and 9 by Dr. John Bitas. Not moved.
Sir,
I shall now put clause 10 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 10 is adopted. Clause 11 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment. Dr. John Bittas.
Sir,
not moving.
Allow me to. Sir, allow discussion as SIR. Then I will move. SIR.
I shall now put clause 11 to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 11 is adopted. Clause 12 to 36 stands part of the bill. Those in favor will say please aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 12 to 36 are adopted. Clause 37 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment. Dr. John Bittas. Not moving.
Sir. Allow discussion as SIR. Then I will move. Why not?
I shall now put clause 37 to vote. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 37 is adopted. Clause 38 to 42 stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 38 to 42 are adopted. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title stands part of the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title are adopted. Sri Sarvanand Sonwal to move that the bill be passed.
Sir, I move that the bill be passed.
Motion moved that the bill be passed. The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The bill is passed. The House stands adjourned to meet at 11 a.m. on Friday, the 8th August 2025. Dhanyavad.